Because I was gonna pop 11 heavenlies, but I forgot to record some of them, so I'm gonna pop 7. And we can get global. Come on. Rage Brawler! Should have battery loss remaining. But you joined? One more. Don't tell me this is Astro. Oh, don't tell me this is... Please don't be breakthrough or Rasant. I know, it's not breakthrough. Oh, come on. Rain ended. Let me unlock this stats run. Oh, it's rainy. I'm gonna try Abyssal too. Please. Oh, what's this? Nibblity? And guess what? I forgot to use a rune of everything. Not that I might as well just use one. Another Dutchman? Oh my god. Another signifying Dutchman. It's gonna be. What's that? All King? No, Sailor. Wait, I'm getting cooked. I just got. I'm forgetting to pop everything. I forgot to pop my pumpkin. Hold on, let me pop pumpkin. Come on. What the hell is this? Santa Frost. Got 15 million volt. So basically, one more heavenly. Last one. Oh my god. Is this? Don't tell me this is an Arcane Dock. Please don't be an Arcane Dock. Arcane Legacy. Are you serious? I got cooked. Oh. Great. All I got is more Dutchmans.